Did you know we lose about 150 species every single day? Species are disappearing faster than ever before. So what's driving these extinctions and how can we stop it? In this video, we're diving into how animals go extinct and what we can do to prevent it. Before we dive in, please consider giving this video a like. It helps to make videos like this possible. So, how do animals go extinct? Extinction is part of nature, but not at this speed. So, what's causing it? First, habitat destruction. As we expand for agriculture, cities and infrastructure, we're wiping out homes for countless species. Then there's poaching and overfishing. Humans hunt and fish at unsustainable rates. For instance, African elephants are in danger because of poaching for ivory. Climate change is another biggie. Rising temperatures alter habitats and food sources. Polar bears, for example, are struggling as sea ice melts, making it hard for them to hunt. Pollution is also to blame. Plastics choke marine life and pesticides harm birds. Chemicals like DDT have caused reproductive failures in many bird species, while plastic waste in oceans is choking marine life. And don't forget invasive species. Non-native species can outcompete, prey on, or bring diseases to native ones. The brown tree snake in Guam, for instance, has nearly wiped out several bird species on the island. Biodiversity is crucial. It keeps ecosystems balanced. Endangered species play vital roles, and their loss leads to food and water shortages, increased disease spread, and severe economic impacts. Over the past 40 years, we've lost nearly 60% of the world's wildlife. This isn't just about animals, it's about the health of our planet and ultimately our survival. But there's hope. Conservation efforts are making a difference. Take the giant panda. Once on the brink of extinction, intensive conservation efforts, including habitat preservation and breeding programs, have brought their numbers up. They're no longer endangered. The American bald eagle is another success story. Due to habitat protection and banning harmful pesticides, their population soared from a few hundred in the 1960s to over 14,000 breeding pairs today. One of the most inspiring examples is the revival of the black-footed ferret. Thought to be extinct, a small population was discovered in the 1980s. Through captive breeding and reintroduction programs, their numbers have increased significantly. But what else can we do to prevent animals from going extinct besides being reactive? One proactive approach is habitat restoration. By replanting forests, restoring wetlands, and protecting coral reefs, we can rebuild ecosystems and provide safe havens for endangered species. Creating wildlife corridors, stretches of land that connect fragmented habitats, allows animals to migrate, find food, and reproduce more effectively. Another proactive measure is implementing and enforcing stricter anti-poaching laws and improving community-based conservation programs. By involving local communities in conservation efforts, we not only provide them with alternative livelihoods, but also foster a sense of stewardship towards wildlife. Supporting sustainable agricultural practices can also reduce habitat destruction. Techniques like agroforestry, which integrates trees and shrubs into crop and livestock farming systems, can enhance biodiversity and create more resilient ecosystems. The extinction crisis is real and urgent, but there is hope. Conservation efforts have proven successful, and with proactive measures like habitat restoration and community-based conservation, we're better equipped than ever to protect endangered species. But we can't do it alone. Each of us has a role to play, from supporting conservation organizations to making sustainable choices in our daily lives. If you're intrigued by how we can harness technology and proactive measures to save endangered species, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like and click here to watch this next video for more interesting mind quests that change the way we see our world. Join us in the fight to protect our planet's incredible biodiversity. Together, we can make a difference.